Okay, so a couple of weeks ago I did a small DIY project on my room because it was looking really ratchet and I needed to spruce it up a little bit. So I gave myself $100 to get everything done, and I posted it to Instagram and everyone seemed to really like it. So I thought, why not make a video showing you how I do some of my DIY projects. As you will learn, I am on like a really strict budget, so I don't really have a lot of money to put into my home decor. So over the years I had to get really creative and make the decor that I wanted, and it just became a passion. It's something that I love to do. It's a good stress reliever. So I'm going to insert those clips now and then show you all the final result at the end. So what inspired me DIYing today, originally I told myself I would give myself $500 to redo my room just because everything is old, like years old. But I didn't wind up giving myself $500. I just could not justify that amount. So instead, I gave myself $100. All of this, I have 5 items, was like $86, I believe, and I did Target pickup, so I didn't really have to stay inside. So I am going to be showing y'all how I redo my room. Okay, so this is my sad room. I just took down the painting that wouldn't match anymore. Yeah, pretty bland, pretty sad, so hoping to make this work. Okay, so excuse my ratchet music in the background. It's how I'm creative. But I'm going to show y'all how I like to do budget decor. So I got these flowers from like Walmart. I got these leaves from Walmart. They were super cheap, just a few dollars. They were attached to the fake flowers, so I like to cut them off. And I painted the top of the mason jar. And then once I cut off the leaves from the stems of the fake flowers, I will just arrange them in the mason jar how I want them to look. I do like to pull them out up top so that when I put the mason jar top on, it's sticking out like how a plant would stick out of a pot, just trying to make it look as realistic as possible. And then I will put the flower on top and just arrange it how I would like it to look. So yeah. Okay, so I got this body pillow. It was on sale for $9. If it came stuffed, I checked Target and Walmart, it was $24. And no, I wasn't paying that amount. This sectional came with a bunch of pillows like this. So what I'm going to do is take the stuffing out of these and put it in this one. And even if I did not have these, I was going to stuff them with like old t-shirts. I was going to stuff it with old t-shirts. So let's see how it looks. 3.5 of these ugly throw pillows later, and this is it. I had no idea how big this thing was going to be, but thank God I did not throw these away. And I have about 2 more left of these throw pillows, so I'm going to eventually DIY some throw pillow covers. And this is the painting that I took out of my room. I made it work for my living room. I rarely throw anything away. Like if there's some decor that doesn't work anymore, I will spray paint it, do whatever I have to do to make it work. Okay, nearly $100 later, and this is what I have so far. These pillows right here came with my old sectional. I hated them, but just realized that they match my headboard, so added that to it just for some dark colors. This is where I've put the first mason jar. Up here on the wall, these were the wall decor pieces that I was painting. That's where I put another mason jar. And this is where the third mason jar is. So, of course, I will have to DIY some more stuff. But I think it looks pretty good. Okay, and so eventually I'm going to make another video, probably this summer, because I do want to repaint my headboard. I don't like it so dark in here. I'm thinking I'm going to do like a silver or a light wood, like a light oak color. And I stained these in high school, my dressers, to match the decor that I had at the time. So I've been DIYing for quite some time. So I will make these like a silver color as well, and change out the knobs to probably like the crystal clear knobs. And this is from, I have two of these actually, and one on other side. But they're from an old ratchet table that I bought, and it was always falling apart, and I try not to throw anything away. So I just made them like little bedside stools. So I'm going to repaint the legs as well, and then I like when they have like a little fur up top, so I'm going to probably find like a fur rug or something to cut down and staple on the top of it. And there's the second dresser over here that I'm going to paint and then change out the knobs. And in this corner right here, I do want to DIY like a little standing mirror. I'm probably just going to get like a cheap one from Walmart and then paint it. And I want to add the flowers on the side, so maybe like hot glue the flowers on the side, and I'll insert a picture of what I'm talking about here. So I think that'll be really fun. So yeah, stay tuned. So that was it for this little DIY makeover. So for $100, I think it looks pretty good. It looks less ratchet and less lonely in here. And I'm feeling like I can actually stay in here without being like, oh my god, this is so sad. But this summer I do want to finish redoing everything. I might give myself $100 more. So stay tuned for that, and subscribe for more videos, more DIY videos. If you're not following me on Instagram, I will insert my handle here, and you can message me about what type of videos that you want me to make. Yeah, so until next time, I'm out.